What's good with y'all? Guys, we're in the new apartment and I got a special guest. Come say hi.
What's good with it?
We got Infinite. Yes, sir.
I flew out to Belgium. What's good, buddy?
Exactly. Finna cook up. What are finna cook up?
Look, I'm gonna say this. I need you to make a West Coast that needs to happen.
I think I never posted a West Coast type beat.
I don't think so.
And I never make
I
them
would
though.
know.
Yeah.
I would know.
All right, let's get it, bro. I'm excited for this.
Okay, so let's just run through some of like the basics, like the essentials and everything like that.
Hit me with it.
Let's do like some more LA stuff, so we can go like 98 BPM to maybe like 102 BPM. Nice. I know it's like a weird BPM. You probably never worked there.
Nah, I mean, usually like around like 140 to 160 range.
Yeah.
I feel like beats like in that BPM hit different, in my opinion.
Yeah, so let's pull up your favorite piano. We can lay down like some chords and then maybe like a little top melody. So how about we do that and then like in that pattern too. So like bum bum. So now let's take these two chords and move the second chord so it starts right in the middle point right here. So like take this chord and have it start right there. So it goes bum bum. You can actually highlight them like this and you can hold down shift and you can just like that.
That's sauce, bro.
Right
That's
there. You
sauce.
feel me?
That's sauce.
Yeah, like that. So I'd probably move.
Moving that one note makes it like more feel like coasty.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, for sure, bro. And then maybe we can do like a counter melody, like right here. So like. We should throw like a little bit of drums down so we can kind of like catch a bounce. Okay. Is there a drum kit I should use?
working on my new kit. If you want,
Is it too early to use it, or can we use it?
We can use it.
Is it top secret?
We can use it.
We can use it?
Yeah.
I say the
Give
word
you
then,
guys
bro.
a little taste of it.
Okay. That's hard.
Go for it as well. Oh shit! I can already feel the vibe, bro. The drums, are they like rather simple or?
I've been trying to make them more simple lately.
Yeah.
I've just noticed that's kind of like, it makes it more rappable.
Yeah.
Oh, that was kind of hard. Wait.
Yeah.
That low note. Hey, you gotta be the rapper right now, bro. You know, I was kicking up with Wizza. He did this cool bounce I really like, and I'm gonna like use the same thing, bro.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, that's what it
like
was.
that. Yeah,
you know what? We should layer some open hats on it, cause like a lot of West Coast
Yeah.
stuff, they layer open hats with
Okay.
their like bass or their kicks.
Yeah. Also, I feel like on West Coast side beats.
And then something really common for like West Coast stuff, and I do it a lot, is that we'll take like the last two parts right here, like more like right here, and we'll just do like a two thing. So it's boop, boop, boop. Hey y'all, we finna use a stock plugin real quick. Let's just freestyle some stuff. We can just see where it takes us, man.
Alright, let's get it. Oh yeah, some shit like that.
Yeah, we might need to move a couple notes, but it sounds okay.
Just some air candy.
That was gonna be the next thing I was gonna tell you, bro. We should take that and layer it on the last two. couple suggestions.
Okay.
I think we should probably put like strings in there, and then maybe like you got like arcade or something.
Yeah, I got
Or
splice.
Let's do it too. Yeah, let's find some vocals. Oh.
Oh, I think we should rock with that one as well.
Like layer it in and make it sound like a sample.
This isn't how I thought it'd be. Look at where we started. This isn't how I thought it'd be. Look at where we started. Get wanted, wanted. This isn't how I thought it'd be. Look at where we started. Isn't how I thought it'd be. Look at where we started. Can we get there? I don't know if your love is free, so I don't want you to wait for me. For me, oh yeah, yeah. This isn't how I thought it'd be. Look at where we started. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no. Isn't how I thought it'd be. Look at where we started. Can we get there?
Let's switch.
Okay, let's switch.
Position switch. Okay. I see
You
where
feel
you're
me?
going. If you hit command and then double click.
Command and then double click.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a gem.
I got
I ain't
you.
know that. I ain't know that's a gem.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Look, I'm gonna have all these people in Europe saying y'all mean by the end of this trip, bruh.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
And there they go.
Thinking because like low-key, I want to do like the stutter thing. So we're gonna cut out this whole last bar right here. And then we're gonna change this to beat mode. You're gonna drag the whole thing over and we're gonna cut out one part. Maybe take this,
Okay.
then you just copy it. So just to like make this switch up like different, we can take out the vocal and we can like bring the lead in. Just so when it goes with the 4 count. I think if we layer a riser on the 4 count, yeah. Do you know like that cool like little like regular transition one that everybody be using low key?
You can.
Or something like that. That'd be perfect. Hard. I like it, bro. I really like the vocals that you added on the bottom, bro. Like these ones, I feel like it tied everything together.
With the bounce, bro.
Yeah, the bounce, bro. The bounce. Come on,
like
bro.
The hi-hats and shit. Guys, we made a super fire beat. I love how it turned out. It's like it turned out more emotional, but I still love it how we made it. Shout out Infinite. Make sure to go follow him. Make sure to go subscribe to him as well. Subscribe to me. We're active on social media.
Like Monday through Friday, I be posting 5 times a week. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
YouTube every Friday.
You know what
12
I'm
p.m.
saying?
PST. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Much love. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.
Much love.